So especially I have given this cheat sheet as well, how the particular the SQL queries will work, what exactly the queries that we need to look into those all things, right? So I'm not sure how many of you have gone through. I'll give you some just example of what exactly this KQL will be, custom query language will work. Okay. So as I said you, this is the dashboard. The incidents, how many we got, how many got closed, how many got automation standpoint it got handled, how many analytical rules are in place, how many are disabled, how many are enabled, auto disabled, whatever we auto disabled means we can be able to create rule only specific to some time. It means today at 5 p.m. the rule should get triggered, at 6 p.m. it should get shut down. That auto disable will happen over there. Why we do that? It based on the scenarios ways. If there is something in data which will only come at that particular point, you want that rule to only work on that particular point. Then it will work on that particular point in that way. Data received, how much data got received at what times, and data connectors. Whatever we do have unhealthy connectors means the connectors which are not reporting. This is very important. So as a SOC analyst, we should see every day while we log in is the health check. It's we call it as a health check. Is the connectors health is okay or not? So you can say unhealthy connectors are zero, active connectors are two, right? And yeah, that's how your dashboard will work and looks like. So you can be able to get to know